Texas, where grit meets ground. Long before the dawn of skyscrapers, brave souls dug deep, tapping into the heart of the land. Encore Oilfield Services was born from that same determination. For over 15 years, we've carved a legacy in the world of natural gas. From compression to midstream, our turnkey solutions redefine excellence. Always evolving, we stand as the backbone of the industry. In-house engineering and meticulous 3D CAD modeling is what propels us forward. Our midstream services, packaging, and fabrication are second to none. We've got the bandwidth. From the pioneering days of the Barnett Shale back in '08, we've expanded to shale plays nationwide. Innovation drives us. Partnering with the best, we're pushing boundaries, expanding footprints, and setting benchmarks. Walking side by side with giants, Ariel, F.W. Murphy, Cat, and many more, it's more than business, it's a bond. Encore Oilfield Services, fueling tomorrow with clean burning natural gas. Here's to the next chapter of exploration.